Dear viewers, today we will learn practical of transverse sections of earthworm and leech. Aim of the practical is to study transverse sections of earthworm and leech. Introduction. Annelida, in Latin, annulus is a ring. It is a phylum of soft-bodied, bilaterally symmetrical, segmented animals known as the segmented or annelid worms. Over 12,000 known species are grouped in 3 classes. The earthworms and freshwater worms are oligochaetes and leeches are hirudines and the marine worms are polychaetes. Annelids are found throughout the world from deep ocean bottoms to high mountain glaciers. They live in protected habitats such as mud, sand and rock surfaces and in among other invertebrate animals such as sponges. Anatomy is the scientific study of the structure of organisms including their systems, organs and tissues. It includes the appearance and position of various parts, the materials from which they are composed, their locations and their relationships with other parts. First we will see transverse sections of earthworm, that is Pheretima posthuma. Earthworms are big segmented worms that belong to the phylum Annelida, class Clitellata and subclass Oligochaeta. Earthworms have a segmented tube-like body. The number of segments varies in different species from 37 up to 100 segments. The outside body is slimy and muscular. All the transverse section of earthworm shows triploblastic layeration with organ grade of construction and true coelom. First, we will learn transverse section through pharynx in earthworm. In this section, body wall is composed of cuticle, epidermis, musculature and parietal epithelial layer. Cuticle is thin, non-cellular and double layered. Epidermis consists of single layered distinct columnar cells with gland cells, supporting cells, basal cells and receptor cells. Musculature comprises outer continuous circular muscle fibers and inner longitudinal muscle fibers cut in bundles. Pharynx contains visceral epithelial layer, pharyngeal gland cells, musculovascular tissue and lumen of the pharynx. Lumen is divided by an incomplete horizontal shelf into upper salivary chamber and lower conducting or ventral chamber. Salivary chamber contains ciliated pharyngeal epithelial layers dorsally. Besides the above structures, section of dorsal blood vessel, ventral blood vessel, ventral nerve cord and muscle strands are also visible. Transverse section through gizzard in earthworm. Some of the characteristics are as follow. Esophagus terminates into prominent oval, hard, thick-walled and distinct gizzard lying in 8th and 9th segment. Body wall is composed of cuticle, columnar epidermis, thin circular muscle layer, thick longitudinal muscle bundles and a thick circular septum. Section also contains dorsal and ventral vessels, ventral nerve cord and lateral esophageal vessels. Transverse section through spermatical region. Comments. Spermatheca open to exterior through 4 pairs of small epithelial apertures called as spermathecal pores. They are present in the intersegmental grooves 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8 and 8, 9. Earthworm has 4 pairs of spermatheca on each side in above segments. Spermatheca are flask-shaped and distinguished into a pear-shaped ampulla and a narrow neck opening on body margins. Each neck has a ciliated diverticulum which retains spermatozoa received during copulation. Two circular intersegmental septa, dorsal and ventral blood vessels, ventral nerve cord and esophagus sections are also observed. Now we will see transverse section through 11th segment. Comments: this section passes through the middle of the 11th segment having finger-like testes and girdle-shaped seminal vesicles. A pair of finger-like testes enclosed in testis sacs, two pair of sperm ducts and a pair of elongated seminal vesicles containing numerous spermatozoa are present. Seminal vesicles are large pouch-like structures found on either side of the esophagus. They lie enclosed in the testis sac of the same segment. Dorsal and ventral vessels, ventral nerve cord, esophagus, supraintestinal and lateral esophageal vessels are also seen. A circular septum separates esophagus and body wall layers. Now we will see transverse section through 12th segment. This section passes through anterior region of the 12th segment containing seminal vesicle and sperm ducts. Body wall is composed of thin cuticle, epidermis, thin muscular layer and thick longitudinal muscle bands. The seminal vesicles are elongate, sac-like structures full of sperms and life-free and hence are seen in this section as separate, elongated, sac-like structures. Double sperm ductal tubes are closely attached having ciliated epithelial layer internally. Dorsal and ventral vessels, ventral nerve cord, supraintestinal vessel and stomach are seen. Seminal vesicles are found on each side of the coelomic epithelial layer. Transverse section through 18th segment. Comments: this section passes through 18th segment, contains a pair of prostate gland and genital papilla. Prostate glands are of irregular shape, differentiated into glandular and non-glandular region. Later part forms prostatic duct which joins with sperm duct and is enclosed in a common sheath. Dorsal vessel, ventral nerve cord and intestinal sections are also present. Now we will see transverse sections of leech, that is Hirudinea. Leeches are also worms belonging to phylum Annelida, class Clitellata and subclass Hirudiniae. The body of a leech is divided into 34 segments. The first 6 segments form an anterior oral sucker which is used to attach to the body of the host. A large posterior sucker is found at the posterior end which helps in the locomotion of the animal. All the transverse section of leech body wall is composed of thick cuticle, epidermis, dermis, muscle layers and botryoidal tissue. First we will see transverse section through buccal cavity and jaws. This section includes 3 jaws embedded in buccal chamber. Cuticle is delicate, colorless and transparent, forming protective covering. Dermis forms a network of fibrous tissue between epidermis and musculature which consists of circular, oblique longitudinal and radial muscle fibers. Hemocoelomic capillaries and sucker glands are found embedded in batryoidal tissue. Jaws are 1 median dorsal and 2 ventrolaterals. They are composed of diagonal, peripheral and longitudinal muscles, cushion-like, having monostichodont denticles or teeth and salivary papilla. Jaws acting together produce a characteristic Y-shaped wound in the skin of the host. Now we will see transverse section through crop and diverticula. Comments: in this section, crop contains 10 pairs of diverticula extending from 9 to 18 segment, and each segment contains 2 diverticula, so that in transverse section it looks like 3-chambered. Coelomic cavity is filled with botryoidal tissue. Crop is composed of cuticle, longitudinal and circular muscles and thin internal epithelial lining of prismatic nucleated cells. Cavity of the crop and its diverticula is continuous, giving 3-chambered appearance. Segmental organs or nephridia are also seen. Crop and diverticula are capable of great dilatation to store large quantity of blood. Other parts seen are dorsal sinus, ventral sinus and ventral nerve cord. Transverse section through stomach. This section passes through narrow stomach with crop diverticula on sides. Crop and stomach are histologically distinguished. Coelomic cavity is filled with botryoidal tissue. Lumen of stomach is less wide than crop. Transverse section of stomach consists of outer cuticle, longitudinal circular muscle layer and endodermal epithelial cells. Folds of epithelial lining are narrower than crop. Dorsal hemocoelomic vessels, ventral vessel having ventral nerve cord and 2 lateral vessels, nephridial vessels are also seen. Transverse section through penis sac and epididymis. This section passes through atrium lying in the 9th and 10th segment. The atrium contains penis and prostatic apparatus. A short duct from epididymis opens into atrium. Coelomic cavity is filled with botryoidal tissue. Atrium is sac-like structure and is differentiated into anterior thick muscular prostate containing prostate glands and posterior penis sac containing penis. Epididymis on each side of atrium is highly coiled, containing numerous spermatozoa. Now we will see transverse section through rectum and posterior sucker. In this section, coelomic cavity is filled with botryoidal tissue. 3 chambers are separated. The middle one is of rectum, while 2 sides ones are of long crop diverticula. Rectum and crop diverticulum are composed of cuticle, longitudinal muscle layer, circular muscle layer and endodermal columnar epithelial cells. Section also shows the presence of dorsal sinus, ventral sinus, lateral sinus and ventral nerve cord. Section of posterior sucker is found below the body section. It shows presence of cuticle, epidermis, circular muscle layer and longitudinal muscle layer. Summary. In this practical, we have studied the different transverse sections of earthworm and leech body parts, which deal with the appearance and position of the various parts, the materials from which they are composed, locations and relationships with other parts are also described. Both the animals are hermaphrodite or bisexual. Thank you.